everybody, I am here and I'm here with Happy Mail from Muppets and Manalone. I'm telling you, that woman, first of all, you cannot tell her no. You cannot tell her no. If she gets something in her head that she wants to do, forget about it. And I'm telling you, it was like Christmas for Halloween. I'm not kidding. She completely went over the top, but I will say I'm going to have a blast decorating with these. So thank you so much, Muppets. So first, and these I think were all from At Home. I think were At Home and TJ Maxx. So the first thing, look at this. Look how adorable. This is supposed to be ice cream, and this is all for fall, for either Halloween or just fall. Look at this. Look at the straws and the skeleton. And this, I don't know if that's supposed to be an eyeball, but the little bones, and it lights up. Yeah, I think it is supposed to be. And look, they change colors. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that going to go perfect with my fake food? Look at that. I'll leave that on so you can see it. And she didn't stop with one. No, she got two. This one also lights up. And this is like a little gingerbread house, but for Halloween. Look at the jack-o'-lantern and the little ghost. And look, instead of a peppermint, it's black and white. And instead of the candy cane being red and white, it's black and white. And look at the light inside. It changes color. There it is, blue. And then purple. And the light comes in through here, and the windows on the sides. These are going to go perfect with my faux food. Then look at this. You know how I love Mackenzie Child. Look at what she found. Isn't that gorgeous? And it is big. It is very big. Isn't that pretty? That is from TJ Maxx. And then look at this little Hocus Pocus. And you know I love Hocus Pocus. Last year I did a lot with the Sanderson sisters. I'm going to do the same thing this year. Isn't that cute? And that was from At Home. Muppets, these are adorable. Look at this. And I want to somehow do like a fake bake on this haunted house. This also lights up. So I don't know if I'm going to do spackle on the eaves of this and then make candies like the candy canes that this has. The candy canes that this has, do that. Or I might do orange because it has a lot of black, but do orange candy sticks and then maybe gumdrops. But I want to do something to make this like a candy haunted house. But look at these little pumpkins. Aren't those cute? And then the little ghosts coming out from the windows. And this is a good size. And I'll bring you down so you can see everything closer. Then look at these. Look at these cupcakes. These faux cupcakes. Aren't those cute? I like doing candy corn decor. These are going to go perfect. Those are adorable. And then you're the pumpkin to my pie. Isn't that cute? That was from At Home. I'll leave that the way it is. And then to go with that, I'm just here for the pie. That'll go with my fake food. It's on a little easel. Isn't that cute? She did such a great job. And then, look at this boo sign. I love this. And you put it on the table. Because in my living room, everything will be for Halloween. And then when Halloween's over, it'll just go into fall. And my other area of my house is going to be just fall. And then the last thing that I just thought was absolutely adorable, let me move this. Look at this. You know how they have the Christmas trees? And this lights up, look at that. This I might leave in my kitchen so I can see it a lot, but look at that, isn't that pretty? And I'll put it maybe up on a riser. But isn't that adorable? Muppets, thank you so much. I cannot believe all the things that you got. You've basically decorated my Halloween, is what you've done. Guys, I hope you like this. I can't wait to show you what I do with these things. I will have some DIYs coming up, but until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world no one can. Now stick around. I'll bring you down so you can see things closer. Bye.